Hello, legends. In this series, I'm gonna try to cover as many tools from our members as possible to give them some promotion and some visibility. The first one we're covering is Rush NRX in their website. We will go straight into it, okay? As you can see, we have NRX Core and NRX Advanced. Okay, so if we go to Bulk Wallet Tracker, what do we see here? It looks like they're using some sort of scraper or API. They have told me that they are not using APIs. They're just using scrapers that are scanning through the screener. So this might be a bit slower than using APIs. But yeah, let's see what this tells us. So I can see that it processes many trades on Solana, and it categorizes each trade on each coin by whether the wallet is fresh, unquestionable profit, negative profit wallet, and positive profit. So the yellow ones might be volume bots or makers. As you can see, it was 0.3 sol spent, $51. There's many that might be makers, or maybe they have filtered it out. I think they might have filtered out transactions below $1 because I don't see any transactions below $1. Let's see. That's that's decent. That's good to do. Otherwise, that would be too much data to process. And so it allows you to do this just to try and filter for humans, and specifically if there's any positive profit wallets in there. This tool is quite interesting from a token holder perspective. Rather than seeing it for all the coins, I would prefer to see it for one specific contract address, to see the percentage of holders that are negative profit wallets, positive profit wallets. That would be something interesting, and they just need to reuse the way they're using this data. Now, what if I only check for fresh and questionable profit wallets? All of them say suspected of botting. Hmm. Okay, so here we can check this token. Checking token. Token not on deck screener. Okay, maybe this one. Not on deck screener. Maybe there is a bug or something. Let's check if it's really on deck screener or not. It's a good tool to find trades. There's so many tools already to find trade, and this is on deck screener, so that would be a problem. The good thing about fresh and questionable profit wallet is that you may be able to find rugger wallets, and that's very interesting. That's very interesting to track rug pools. Okay, there's presets here. I want to understand what the presets are. They must be made by... Huh. I don't know what it changes. Okay, so I'll come back to this later and see what kind of filters I can put, and let's see if we can find any interesting coin. This is a lot of volume and profits. So it might be interesting to apply more filters, especially to avoid the noise. All of the wallets that are volume bots or are interacting too much with the same coin, then just take it out. Okay, the other coin that is top one in unique holders is Captions AI. Captai. Uy, uy, uy. I don't know about this. Uy, 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 uy. It looks very sketchy. How much market cap? Only 47, but still it looks very sketchy. And if I go to any of the wallets here, it's gonna be a fresh wallet. No, this is some coordinated rag. Mm, wow. Okay. Uh, so yeah, it's a problem because unique buyers, there's so many coins that are rags, so there must be an extra filter here that processes all the coins in the leaderboard and tries to analyze whether they are a rag or not. And there's many kind of filters you can check for. Uh, Fresh wallets leaderboard. Why do you have a fresh wallets leaderboard? In any case, we want the leaderboard of coins that have the least fresh wallets. Profitable wallets leaderboard is interesting. Emoti Orbit. Orbit, is this the volume bot coin? Orbit AI. Orbit Talk. Many on them are on Pamela Fund. I think the data must be refreshed very few seconds because the numbers are very little. So I don't think they are keeping any internal database. Track by volume ranking. Again, volume is not a good metric to track because most of them are rag pulls and by volume ranking and then by volume track by volume ranking 5 minutes. And again, the by volume ranking might be mira, filtered wallets. MAIENT. Let's go for I don't know, this one. The first one will always be a scam. Chain. Poof, 2 billion. No, this is another scam. As I said, I think you have very good data, but you're not creating the right dashboards. For example, fresh wallets is not a good metric to track. In any case, you should track the opposite. Uh, I think there must be some tool here to insert a contract address and be able to get all of these metrics. Do it contract address by contract address rather than an overall market watch. NRX advanced. Trend Okay. Wallet token. Market cap max 100k. Profitable and minimum 1 Solana spent. Ah, wow, this is amazing. That's cool. Oh, look, this is the real time. Wow. Taco. Let's do 10 minutes. Taco. Fries. How am I able to get and why when did I get this? Address filters. Okay, I like this feature. I would like to be able to click on the contract address and enter the screener. 8 book. Ah, it's the same one. Look, okay. Okay, I'm gonna check this one. Taco. Mm, the 14K market cap. Okay, I think we're gonna choose like a top 3 coins that we found here. And then at the end of the video, I'm just gonna publish 3 screenshots and see what these coins did. I think the tool is getting a very good data, but I think there is room for improvement on how you use this data, on what kind of dashboards you are outputting. And yeah, I will leave you an invite link in the description if you want to check this tool out. And yeah, I think for the moment it's free. I'm not sure, but I doubt it's gonna be free in the future. Okay, so let's find just one last coin. Let's try to get. Alright, token ticker, no. Market cap, we want max market cap of 100K. Trying to find gems and a minimum of 30,000 or 20,000. And then, okay, spend sold. Wallet volume, interesting. Received, return on investment, 30-day profitable tokens. I think this one is the most interesting one, but the one in the bottom. But it looks like there's too many trades. So it could be like an algorithmic wallet, and we are not machines, so maybe it's a MEF bot, or okay, we will check it still. Oh, no, it's out. Okay, this one is interesting. I'm gonna check this ticker, Pachi. And then 5 and 8, return on investment 0 BTC. This one is better. Okay, let me try to get this one first. Okay, and for the moment, I don't want to check these ones that have too many tokens traded. Okay, here we go. This one looks better. Win rate 33. Okay, I'm gonna check this one. Fuck it. MCs, and we see it two times, so it's a good sign, I hope. Win rate 41, return on investment 33. 30-day profit. Okay, this one might also be interesting. And what I'm gonna do is leave 6 screens on high speed. MC season, okay. This one might also be interesting. Time, I see it twice, that's good. And let's try to put a filter on a higher market cap to find maybe more coins that are interesting. This one is a good ratio. It looks human. Good, normal return on investment. Not too much wallet volume, but still. Oh, it's time. Okay. 28K market cap. Oops. It's a shame we're getting all of them on the very top, except this one. Let's try to find one that is not in the very top. Let's try Voxel. Voxel. But he didn't spend anything. I'm not sure. It might be just a volume bot or one of these wallets that buy all of the tokens that are launched and hopes for a moonshot. Okay. Win rate, right? Okay. Bro, there's many wallets that just buy all of the tokens. I can tell. Don't show again. Do we have don't show? I've seen it so many times. Okay, we're out. I think this is a sign of checking what's happening with these coins. Oof. Oof. Let me check just one last one. We're gonna try to find one that is at the bottom because then it's not only about this tool, it's about your own judgment. You must be smart enough to not buy in the top. Spend 52 sol? Oh no, 0.30. I like this one, it looks human. MC Wojak. Okay. And I'm gonna change it. Well, no, I have to keep it real. This would be the coins. Maybe imagine I put 0.1 sol into each of them. Let's see what would be the total return if I invested in the coins that profitable profitable wallets are investing in. We okay. Let's see. So we're gonna do like this. So we got Voxel, Taco, Wojak, and I'll go for chart, and chart. I think these are gonna be our 4 last coins. We're just gonna let them run now. See what happens. Final verdict of coins taken from this application. And yeah, I'm gonna leave now. Oof, this was a rack. So we see a rack here. Okay, 1 out of 7 was a rack. Damn, how did they rack? Did they rack from many wallets? Yeah, looks like. Damn, they just did a sellout from all the wallets. Wow, wow, crazy. Good job, good job. You fooled me here. This is why you should check for the freshness of wallets. See, if you for example came here and saw that this wallet first transaction was, or maybe it has 1 million. Okay, 22 hours. Well, first of all, this wallet is algorithmic, so you must check. You must have a filter for algorithmic wallets from the holders. I created one script that might be very helpful for this kind of coins. This one is going well. Nice. Check for the freshness of wallets. That is at least 1 week. And who funded these wallets? Are they connected to rug pull wallets? Yeah. And Let's try to substitute this chart with maybe this one. Go back. It's not looking too great. Only this one made a 10%. This one went down. I think that the data is fine. There's many ways you can use it, and it's always up to the who is interpreting this data. Me, I like to find gems that go 10x. So the high market caps, I skip them. But in this case, it looks like the high market cap was the only one that wasn't a rug. And it makes sense because raggers don't take the coin too up. In fact, if you could later on take these tokens, maybe in the terminal, select the tokens and run a token analysis, that would be awesome. But yeah, this is the end of episode 1, and on episode 2 I am gonna bring you a tool that analyzes rack farms, which I've been working on with the community. It's very interesting, very interesting. Props to the creator, who is Rose. I will show some of what he's been working on. So here you can gather price data using web crawlers. Price data of various tokens, and here he made some backtesting on different racks. What would have happened with certain parameters? So that's very interesting using a Jupyter notebook. This is another strategy, time-based selling, but there's much more we are working on this. Once we are done, I will make the episode. For now, this is the episode for today. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next one.